Hey friends, welcome back to another video. If you want to study medicine and surgery aka MBBS from Italy in 2026, then you have to write IMAT exam. So it's going to be just an entrance exam, but the most important question is how you are going to register for IMAT exam. So today in this video, I'm going to explain step-by-step process on my screen from previous year of how to book your IMAT exam. So you can replicate all those steps and you can book your exam. But the most important question is when IMAT registration for 2026 will open and where you have to book this exam, like which website and what documents you need for IMAT registration. What is going to be IMAT fee, like which cards you can use to pay your IMAT fee, like MasterCard, Visa, UnionPay. I will be explaining each and every single thing regarding IMAT registration. So this video is going to be your all-in-one guide for IMAT registration, and we will talk about the most important question that all of you have got is, do IMAT seats get filled in 1 hour? Sadly, the answer is yes, because previous year this situation happened and few centers like in India, in Turkey, Hong Kong, got completely filled in just 1 hour, like first hour. So we will talk about the situation and what's the solution for it, so you don't miss your 2026 seat. So I will be telling you some precautions that you can follow to make your chances of getting seats higher, and we will be talking about different aspects of IMAT considering previous year, so you can avoid all those mistakes. And remember, we will be talking about how to select your university, all those things that you need to know before registering your exam. You will get to know in this video. Now let's begin this video. Before continuing this video, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, subscribe it and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any news and update regarding medicine and surgery in Italy. So now let's begin this video and let's start with when IMAT registration will open. Remember, you will get to know from like ChatGPT, Gemini, like IMAT registration will open in July or June. Remember, these are going to be false information because this happened previous year and lots of students were freaking out and reaching out to me. Oh, I missed the date. I could not register for IMAT exam because ChatGPT is telling me IMAT registration opened on July and now it's like the end of July. I said, relax, don't worry about it, because IMAT registration date changes every single year. And Italian ministry mayor announces like 15 days or 1 month before like IMAT registration official date. Just follow me on Instagram or WhatsApp channel that will be linked down below, because I will be sharing the exact date the moment Italian ministry announces. I will be sharing in the community, in the channel and on my Instagram, so you can get to know all the information. But remember, let me give you exact like a time frame when IMAT registration usually opens. That is late August, like after 15 August or start of September, the first week of September, because IMAT exam is going to take place on 17th September. This is happening from like previous 4 or 5 years. Like I think from 2011 till like 2025, it's taking place on 17th September. Just in 2023, it happened on 17th October. Rest, it's going to be 17th September. So don't panic and stick with the end of August, because in 2025, IMAT registration opened on 26th August. And now the most important question, whenever Italian ministry announces the IMAT registration date, they don't mention time. Time is really like a bad thing because it is different every single year. In previous year, IMAT registration opened on 12:30 p.m. Central European time, and like in 2024 it opened on like 3 p.m. Central European time. It's like, and in 2023 it was way more different, so you can just see the difference. But remember, it's going to be from like 12 p.m. and to 3 p.m. in between that. But again, I will be sharing the time in the channel as well, so just follow it. So now let's talk about where to register this exam, like which website where you will be booking this exam. Remember, you have to book this exam on university.it. So if you're non-European, your like university account will already be created because you would have done the pre-enrollment. But if you're a European, you can create your account on university.it in advance, not on the day of exam, because at that time that like website will be completely hanged up. Now I will explain in just like a couple of minutes how this server crash down will happen. So just create your account on Universe Italy and wait for announcement. Okay, now let's talk about what is going to be IMAT registration fee. IMAT registration fee is same from previous 4-5 year. It is 130 euros. But if you're from Europe, you won't have to pay taxes. But if you are from Asia or any other country, based on your country, you will have to pay taxes. So this price will jump from 145 to 150 euros. But again, it all depends on what kind of tax your state has got, your country has got. It can be 18%, 22%, whatever it is. So it will be like rounding up to 150 euros. Okay, now the next question is what payment gateways are accepted. You must have MasterCard or Visa. Previously, they were accepting Union Pay, but I don't know about 2026, they might accept. And most important thing, make sure that international transaction is enabled on your card. If it's not, contact your bank and ask them to enable it. Otherwise, you can easily do it on with your bank app. It's like there, so you can enable it. But make sure that it's enabled, because previous year lots of students faced this issue. Their payments were declining, their transactions were declining, and they were like, what to do? So get a backup card as well in case if payment gets declined. Then you can use another card, because you can lose your seat because seats are limited. So let's talk about limited seats that happened in 2025 from ages like from 2011 till 2024. Seats were unlimited, means like they were increasing seats every time they were getting filled. But in 2025, what happened? The seats were really limited. They did not increase the seat. Like they will open seats in like let's say 450 seats. They will get filled and then they will add more seats on like a number of requests. But that thing did not happen previous year. Why? Because they changed the agency. From previous year, like in 2023 it was Minerva, in 2024 it was Minerva, but in 2025 they changed it to Italian, which is Selexi. And they did not, like, there were, first of all, there were lots of flaws, and the most important flaw was limited number of seats. Because in first hour in India there were two centers, Delhi and Chennai, and in Turkey there were two like centers. Both countries got filled in like first hour, because from both countries there are like lots of applicants. And remember, they did not increase the seats. Students were emailing, they did not respond. They said we can't increase, the seats are limited. So remember, there will be lots of issues, but the seat issue, I don't know this issue is gonna persist for 2026 or not. Just pray. But in India there were just 450 seats, and I think there were like 2000 applicants. Just like with average, I'm getting this like from previous 2-3 years average, there were like in between 1500 to 2000 like applicants, but only 450 seats were there. So it was a really bad thing. And then what happened, within 3 days in Pakistan there were like 900 seats. It's a lot like smaller country as compared to India, but it had like more seats. Again, I don't know what they thought, but there were 900 seats and they got completely filled after like 3 days. And then in Hong Kong, then in Dubai, remember in Dubai seats were again limited as well. But as students could not get seats in India, so they tried to book from in Dubai, and Dubai seats also got filled. I would say, if this issue is going to persist, what you have to do is make sure that you can get your seat in first hour. Now you might be like, how I can get in first hour? Remember, when they will open IMAT registration, all students will be on their website and server will crash down. This is happening from previous like 5-6 years, and they haven't got solution yet. So server will be completely crashed and you won't be able to access the website. All students won't be able to access website because they will be on the site and they will be refreshing. But they will be constantly working on it and they will make it alive for like few minutes. And if you really want to get your seat, make sure you have really strong internet, really fast internet, and just get like a mobile package and like internet package, your Wi-Fi if you are using, and it should be like like the strongest one. Don't be on laggy, otherwise the website won't load because there will be huge traffic. And remember, I booked for like 18 19 students, and I was like in front of screen for like 6 consecutive hours. So you can face the similar situation, but remember, most students are with consultants, and lots of students could not get their seat previous year because their consultants booked for just few of them, and they were like seats will increase like previous year, because in 2024 seats increased once the centers got filled, and in 2023 same thing happened. In 2025 they did not add any more seats, so lot of students could not get seats. They were like, now what to do? I said let's wait, but nothing happened. They complained to Italian ministry, but they said we can't do it, so you just have to manage it by the way that I explained. Make sure you book your seats by yourself, and your internet is really fast, and your payment gateways like your cards are like international transaction is enabled, and you have backup cards as well. So just be cautious if you are going to book by yourself, and if you need assistance you can contact me. I have got few slots when I book for students. I did for free lots of students, and if you need assistance for booking, I have really few slots, so you can contact me on my email. So now let's talk about how to book your exam. I have got step-by-step screen recording. Watch it and to understand and replicate it the moment you are going to book your exam. When IMAT registration will open, you can see this on home screen. There will be a red icon. You just click on it. You will be here, log in your account. It will ask you to log in your account. Just click on it, put your university credentials, and you will be on this screen where you have to start your application. So just click on it and you will be here. You will be asked submit new application. Click on it, and here you will see this screen where first thing is asking about your English proficiency certificate. Basically, if you have given IELTS, you can click on it and then it will ask you to upload it, but just click on, if you don't have IELTS, click on I have studied for 1 year English like high school, just move on. And then here you have to select the most important thing, which is university selection. So if you are a European, you can select as many universities as you can, but if you're non-European, you just have to select the top one where you have done your pre-enrollment. Let's say in this case I have done in Bari, so I'm going to apply for Bari. So just drag and drop it. You have to drag and drop, just did it. And if you are a European, like drag and drop all of them in order. So just select the top merit one on top and the one which has like less merit on like below. Just click on next, salva, and next. You will be on this screen where now you just have to confirm your center where you want to give test and just like pay the fee. So just click on go to payment. Remember, you cannot change it once you are done with the payment. Now right now you can change it, but once you are done with the payment you won't be able to change it. Just go over choose payment and you will be here. Firstly it will ask you to select your center, whichever center you want to give your exam. Just click on it, and once you are done with like center selection, click on next, and here you will be asked to proceed with payment. As I told you, you can just pay with credit card or debit card. That must be Visa or MasterCard, and make sure international transaction is enabled. But here, if you are like applying or you want to take exam in Europe or any other like international country where there are certain countries has multiple payment gateways, like as you can see here, if you want to give in like Italy, there will be multiple payment gateways. So this is how you will be booked. So this was it. I hope you understood the process. If you have any query, you can mention in the comment. I would love to reply, and you can always contact me on my socials. Check the link in video description. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, then thumbs it up and subscribe this channel. Okay, now if you want to know how to apply for medicine and surgery, like university selection, each and every single thing for medicine and surgery in Italy, like all the process, then check out this video. It has got each and every single thing for you. And this video for IMAT preparation, this will help you to prepare IMAT exam for 70 plus. So yeah, go check them out and see you in next video. Till bye bye.